It is given in this question. A steam volatile organic compound which is immiscible with water has a boiling point 250 degrees Celsius. And we have to find out the temperature at which during the steam distillation process a mixture of this organic compound and water boils. Immiscible liquid means they are not mixing with water. When this organic compound is added to water, water is the solvent and this organic compound is the solute. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one says the mixture will boils at a temperature above 100 degree but below 250 degree. This is not possible because the mixture of two immiscible compounds cannot boils at an individual temperature range. So this is the wrong one. And the second one is above 250. This is also wrong. And the third one is given as at 250 degrees Celsius. This is not possible in this case because both of them are immiscible liquids. The last option is given as the temperature which is close to but below 100 degrees Celsius. This is the correct answer. If one of the substances in a mixture is water and the other is a water insoluble substance, then the mixture will boils at a temperature which is close to but below 373 Kelvin or 100 degrees Celsius, which is the boiling point of water. So the correct answer is option D.